In this video, we're beginning Chapter 9. Chapter 9 is the Pythagorean Theorem. So we're going to be looking at the Pythagorean Theorem, right triangles, and an important part of the Pythagorean Theorem is being able to simplify radicals. So we're going to start with a review of radicals in this video. So let's take a look at what we've got here. So if you recall, 3 squared, this is really just a shortcut for repeated multiplication. So 3 squared, that 2 up there, tells us to multiply 3 by itself twice. So 3 squared would equal 9. And then 5 squared, similarly, that 2 up there again tells us to take 5 and multiply it by itself 2 times. So 5 squared would be 25. So if we carry this logic, 11 squared means 11 times 11. Therefore, 11 squared is going to be 121. Now, let's go the other way. Over here we had this exponent of 2. Over here we have a square root. Alright, so the square root of 9 is equal to 3, and the reason for that is because 3 times 3 is 9. So when you see this, you want to think to yourself, what number multiplied by itself gives me 9? What number multiplied by itself equals 9. Okay, that's what you want to be thinking about. Alright, so because 3 times 3 is equal to 9, we know that the square root of 9 is 3. The square root of 25, again, what number multiplied by itself gives us 25? That's 5. And then carrying our logic down here again, the square root of 121 is going to be 11 because 11 times 11 is 121. So what we can see looking at these two processes is that one can conclude that squaring a number is the inverse of taking the square root. Remember, inverse operations undo each other. Okay, like addition and subtraction, multiplication and division. And now we have squaring and square roots. All right, so we're going to do example 1. We're going to do this without a calculator. Okay, so let's take a look at part D. We've got 4 times the square root of 81. So this is going to be 4. We know that a number multiplied by itself to get 81 would be 9, so that's 4 times 9. That would be 36. So 4 root 81 is equal to 36. All right, so that's it for this video. Go ahead and finish up the other 5 parts of this, and if you have any questions, make sure you get help as you're going through, and we'll see you in the next video.